Hey guys, just want to talk about my 2016 Giant Talon 4 here. This is obviously a hardtail XC entry-level mountain bike. It has 27.5 inch wheels they're only 2.2 inches wide. Same goes for the rear. Obviously, these are Maxxis Icons. They're okay. I've had this bike since 2015. I believe I got it in later in the summer 2015 as a 2016 model. And it's been a great entry-level bike to really kind of learn on. Let's see here. Things I like about it, I really do like the frame. I think Giant does a really good job with their frame. The welds seem really good, and I've had no problems, obviously, in the past, let's see, 4 years now that I've had it. It does have a 3x system, so it's a little bit dated. Obviously, it could be pretty sweet if I put it to a 1x. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. This is a 3x8. And I also love the seat. The seat is super comfortable. I know it's a little big, probably bulky and weighty, but man, it's just compared to other bike seats, for me, that one works really, really well. The seat is all the way down, so that is one thing that's a little strange. The seat tube, I feel like going down inside, or the seat, the seat tube basically goes all the way down inside, and that's as low as it can go. And the reason is because of this second water bottle bolt going through there. Basically, that seat tube is going all the way down and resting on that thing. So that's as far down as I can get it. So I wish I could push it down even further, but that's about as good as I'm going to get it as far as going low. Another thing I don't like about it is the Suntour fork. It's very budget. As a matter of fact, the very first time I rode it, it does have a lockout, but the very first time I rode it, this cap actually popped all the way off. I had to go back on the trail to find out, or to find out where it was. This is a Suntour SR Suntour XCT. It's 100 mil of travel. Has a straight steer tube, so I get that nice aerodynamics, not like those new tapered fancy ones that slow you down, you know, from all the air wind resistance. I'm just joking about that. And then let's see, here's kind of a view of the cockpit. This bike is a little bit big for me. I'm about 5'10", and if you're somewhat, you know, close in that range, people can go in medium or large. I decided to go with the large, but I found out that the reach for me, I'm really far bent over on this. And so I feel like a lot of my weight is actually going towards the front, and I feel like being able to go over the bars is actually kind of easy on this bike. So one way I could remedy that is getting a shorter stem on there, and that one is a whopper. That one's probably, I think that's 100 mil. So I could drop it down to probably 60, maybe even 45, and then get some wider bars on there. These are only in the 600 range. I'm not exactly sure what number it is. It's 6 something or other, so they're not super wide. But yeah, this is a great entry-level bike. I'm getting a new bike, but this has been an awesome bike for the past 4 years. I've really enjoyed it, and would highly recommend that you just go out and ride whatever bike that you have. Have fun, enjoy biking.